we have some good news, and that is that Eli Tomac has confirmed to Swapamoto that he does in fact want to race in 2026. Now, obviously, this comes along with the rumors of interest of either Ducati or also the fun ones going along that he may have or has maybe already done a test ride on the KTM. Uh, I'm excited about this. Obviously, this year ended with his injury to his leg that cut that title chance short. What was it, a couple years ago? The Achilles injury that ended that title chance. And you got to say it sucks for him because the last two really good years he's had were ended with injury. Probably could have one, maybe two more titles, depending on if he would have retired after the first one or maybe, not. Things happen. Hypotheticals, whatever. But you still have to say he is one of the most competitive guys still going. I think he's 32 now. Correct me if I'm wrong there. So one of the oldest guys still going, and it's just going to be a question of where. It doesn't sound like he's going to be at Yamaha, depending on where he goes, whether it's a red bike or an orange bike or maybe somewhere else. It doesn't seem to be that Yamaha is kind of on the table. And you gotta say with Justin Cooper, Cooper Webb, I mean they technically probably could save him, or not save him, but put a contract on the table for him. Is it going to be enough? Who knows? Do they want to run 450 guys, and especially 1 year from now, supposedly Deegan's going to be moving up to the 450 class, so they're definitely going to want to have him signed. But we do have a quote from Tomac saying, it has really frustrated me mentally having these last few injuries, and then I keep honestly surprising myself. This year I was faster again than 23 and staying with the lead group of guys and winning a race. I'm actually at the position where no, I am not going to stop racing. As for a time frame, I'm not sure, but one thing is for sure, I am not done and I'm looking to go racing again next year. Now, again, it's just going to be where he falls. Obviously, KTM doesn't have the clutch he wants, has a preference on suspension. Who knows if Ducati's in the running or if it could be some other. I mean, I've seen people say, oh, it could go to Suzuki, and I doubt that. And honestly, that would be a problematic move, at least in my mind, for him to move back to that bike. But it's going to be one of those things. Can he stay on Yamaha? Do they want to keep him? If he has been a competitive rider. He is a title contender still. For them, it's probably not the worst thing in the world. I mean, Cooper Webb just won his third title, but they also have Justin Cooper, who you can say is good, but really hasn't shown to be the number one guy. So it's going to be a question of, do they want to shell out for that third 450 contract? Is it going to be a 1 year deal if they do? And then if he does move to Ducati or KTM, is it going to be a 1 year, 2 year deal for them? Obviously, the rumors of Chase Sexton leaving KTM kind of leaves the number one seat open there. Ducati would probably be more of a development ride. I don't know how you want to say it. Like, that bike is still going to be good, I think, coming out. But if it's him, do you want to get on a bike that's untested in Supercross and spend a couple years making it good, or spend a couple years kind of floundering around and hating every second of it? Well, that's where it falls. I mean, this is good news either way. I mean, obviously, a lot of these guys, you got Anderson, Barsha, Roxon, Cooper Webb, Eli Tomac, they're all getting into the 30s, and not too many people race past 33, 34 in this sport. So you're going to see a lot of these people start retiring soon. So if we get a couple more years of competitive riding from all of them, it's going to be really good. But I don't know. Comment below. This is where I'm going to ask you guys, where do you think he goes? Does he stay at Yamaha? Does he go somewhere else? Are you excited about this? Do you think it's a good move for him? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.